The CUPRA Formentor is the core of our DNA, and now it will become an icon. We can see how the higher bonnet, negative front end that represent this strong character of the sharp nose define a car with a really strong determination. Looking closer, you can appreciate the unconventional triangular light signature, something that you can recognize from far away and identify the CUPRA Formentor. The amazing matte colors inspired by nature help define the sharp lines and emphasize his muscular appearance. Moving to the rear, the illuminated logo that for us represents the heart of the car, combined with this powerful bumper design, make the CUPRA Formentor stand out of the crowd. We also have designed a driver-oriented interior for those who love to drive, using improved material for a more sustainable approach. The CUPRA Formentor, always provoking, always authentic, lifting the volume of your emotions.